Hello everybody, I'm Gary Massa with Massa & Associates and welcome to the November edition of How's the Market? Again, these are sales numbers based on October sales for North County, San Diego for single family detached homes, what we're going to be focused on here today. And again, the board had a little bit of a delay getting these numbers out this month, but again, wanted to get these to you as soon as they came out, and they are hot off the press today. So let's jump right into it. There's a few really cool things that I want to share about the trends that we're seeing. Again, the month of October for our San Diego, North County real estate market, definitely started seeing or continue to see those upward trends. Still a very strong market with pricing, but there's a few things where we noticed month to month we started to see some things pull back a little bit. So getting right into it, new listings year over year, October is up. We're pretty much flat. We're up only 1.5%, basically right around 1,300 units. Last year at this time, it was 1,278. Now, again, comparing it to last month, so we're still pretty solid year over year. But last month we had 1,500 units new units that came to the market. So we're down month to month about 300, 200 homes that hitting the market. Pending sales is still way up over last year's October numbers. We're up 35% in the month of October. However, that's 1,284 units that went under contract. And last month or the previous month in September, we saw 1,359 units, so about 70 units more go under contract. Closed sales this month we had 1,351, which is again a 36% increase from what we saw year over year. But judging from last month, we're actually pretty much flat, so nowhere up or down on that. Days on market is still down really low, on average 24 days to get your detached home sold in this North County market. So that's very, very quick. Median sales price is at $777,000 for a single family detached home here in North County. That is actually up about 2% from the month of September, but up 11% from the same time from October of last year. So again, year over year, we're still seeing some mega increases, but just noticing some things starting to teeter around and level off, from September to October, which is pretty typical for, seasonality for this time of year. Okay, so we're down. The biggest thing that we're seeing right now, which is still continuing to drive the market really, really quickly, quick sales, quick reaction times, and also keeping prices very high. Our inventory levels are still very, very low. In the month of October, there's 1,529 homes on the market, which was a 48% decrease in actual number of inventory, number of units from the same time last year. We're at one and a half months of supply of inventory, which is the lowest monthly supply of inventory we've seen in the single family detached home segment since for all year over the last 12 months. So that is still very, very low. We would love to see some more inventory coming to the market. So, okay, real quick, the highest performing segment of the county, so North County, South County, Metro, and East County, they all kind of segment those and what they're doing in growth. The San Diego North County came in the highest appreciation growth during this month in that segment. For all homes combined, detached and attached, the median sales price is $715,000, which is up 15% since the same time last year. East County saw 12%, Metro area saw 7.3%, and South County, which is the Chula Vista area, saw only 9% in terms of appreciation growth year over year. But again, so still very, very strong numbers. Everywhere seems to be performing really, really well, but we're just seeing a little bit of pullback, which I'm thinking is really more the seasonality than actual market reaction time. So we shall see. We're going into Thanksgiving time. We're about to close out November, going into December as well, which again, depending on the year, could be, sometimes they're really, really busy months and other times a little bit slower. So we'll see. Boots on the ground here, we're seeing a lot more showings happening over the last couple of weeks, and a lot more talk about homes coming on the market in January. We are actually securing a few new listings that are going on the market in January and February. So I'm already feeling that the beginning of the year is going to be very, very, very busy. So if you're going to be in the market to buy a new home in the first part of the year, it might be better to even start in December and see what's out there now and or get out there as early as possible, because I feel like as the year continues to go on and more homes come out, there will be more and more buyers in the market as we start to see our spring and summer months. So I think the early bird gets the worm this coming year. If you guys have any questions about the market, what's going on out there on the ground, or from a statistical standpoint, please do let me know. I'd love to hear from you and answer all of your questions and just help you get the information that you're looking for to make the right decision. So give me a call. I will hope to see you soon. Thank you so much.